Greetings from the garden. My name is Ben, and today we're going to talk about how to improve your garden for next year by observing your garden this year. So let's jump into the garden and we'll get started. Many experienced gardeners find it helpful to keep notes and to refer back to them when they're planning their gardens for next year. So it's important to realize there's no right or wrong way to do this. It's really about what works best for you. A notebook is one of the simplest ways, but you can also use your smartphone camera or your social media timeline and refer back to those photos to remind yourself of what was going on and what was working or not working. All you'll need is a pen and paper, maybe a camera, and your eyes. When observing your garden, take as much time as you can to focus on the basics. Does it feel like your plants have enough space to grow and succeed? Do you notice changes in the soil or in the plants themselves? Try especially to focus on changes from one day to the next, and this will help you catch problems before they become catastrophes. But also, take time to appreciate the beauty of your fruits, the color and shapes of the leaves, and any lingering insects, good and bad, or anything else that might catch your eye. So, what else should you be looking for? Well, ask yourself. What could use some extra attention? Is anything drooping, bent, or broken? Do you need to make any immediate changes like pruning, deadheading, or weeding? If you were to do something differently next year, what would it be, and why? Well, there you have it. It's never too late to begin observing your garden, and also to realize that pausing and observing helps to not only make your garden better, but also makes you a better gardener. So, happy gardening, and we'll see you next time.